Today we have a 1992 964 RS Clubsport. It is Grand Prix White. It is as comfortable on the road, racetrack, and as well on any Concours lawn because it is exceptional. So let's take it for a ride and see how she goes. Okay, here we go. We're going to fire it up. We're going to warm it up. It's crazy with these light flywheels. We're going to take it, warm it up a little bit, show you how it has absolutely no amenities whatsoever and is destined to be an awesome street car that is unclothed in every way or disrobed in every way. Could be a track car for the weekend warrior, or was a race car, but this one was not a race car. It was never used in anger. It is perfectly manicured. It's got the original Matter roll cage sticker. I would love to get moving. Can't get moving because crossing guard will get angry at me. Of all the times that Jason could have a conversation with me, he doesn't say a word. But okay, that's all right. So we're going to warm it up to operating temperature, come back to you and show you how it is on some of the back roads, and then the sweepers and a little bit of flybys. Oh, that is a symphony of racing brakes squeal, which will not go away if you ever want to have a 964 Clubsport, because that's the way they should be. Okay, well, so here we are. She's still warming up, but I am a drummer, and the percussionist in me needs to do this because it makes Jason laugh. Now, we're gonna warm it up a little bit more up here. I said over and over again, in comparison to the 996, 993, and 997s, and the later cars, the 964s and the shorter wheelbase have that older 911 feel that are just that much more tossable. A little bit stiffer even on the street. Be great for the track. Road holding is amazing. Great brakes. A lot of that squeal will go away as they warm up. Well, we are definitely at operating temperatures, and I'm not sure what we could show you on standard roads, but you can definitely see that this car loves the twisties. It's had plenty of power, and let's get on a little bit here. Awesome brakes. What's our red light? Well, great flybys if I do say so myself. And we're going to come down to the twisties a little more. And then Jason is going to jump all the way back behind the roll cage. I have no idea how, but he is, for some really cool shots. So, as you can see, She's nice and mellow around town if you need be. This is a great corner down here. You just get on the brakes slightly, third gear, and ease on the throttle. And it appears like you're going Mach 1, but you're really not going Mach 1. So these are as fun around town as they are on the road, on the highways, on the track. They're probably one of the most visceral Porsches around. This one has recently been serviced by well-known Porsche expert Ron Barnaba in Chicago. Not of Chicago, but in Chicago, or Chicago thereabout.
He's from Chicago, guys.
That was actually good. This is the first time that was nice. It was like a BAM! He's there. This guy, Ron Barnaba, is from Chicago. So, what you see is what you get. Not a whole hell of a lot of anything, but engine, great chassis, handling ability, and cool Porsche RS. Say it all the time, but there's fun and then there's fun, and this car is fun. Great light flywheel, love the way the engine revs. We welcome any questions you may have. You know where to find us. I hope you've all enjoyed this road test. See ya.